This is solving a system of linear equations, a screen recording view. One of my valued viewers, Joe, had a question about this. He wanted to find the solution to this system of equations. And what we have is a system here that is really, it's not set up that both these equations are in standard form, nor are each of these equations in slope-intercept form. And so we are going to solve this by graphing today. And in order to graph, the optimal way is to get y by itself. So we're going to do this first equation on the left to get y by itself. We don't have y by itself, we have negative y. We're going to cancel out, we're going to divide both sides of the equation by negative 1. And so I'm going to go here and get my pen, and I'm going to go ahead and put parentheses around this expression here. And then I'm going to put a slash negative 1, which means divided by negative 1. And then I'm going to put a slash under the negative y and put a negative 1 here. And what happens to this is it cancels out. So now we have positive y equals all of this in parentheses, 5x minus 28 divided by negative 1. And now we're going to, I'll rewrite it here. I'm going to rewrite it as y equals parentheses 5x minus 28 and all that divided by negative 1. And there we go. Now in this instance, for the equation on the right, we have 2x minus y equals 0. What we're going to do to get y by itself is we're going to take this negative y over here to the other side of the equal sign, where that's going to become positive y. So we have left y equals 2x. And from here, we're going to be able to use our TI-83 Plus calculator, and I go get my virtual calculator down here, and I'm going to drag it here right into the screen area so we can see it a little better, and turn it on. Go to the y equals view, and it's not working, so I'm going to have to go ahead and reset it. Reset calculator. There we go. Now I'm going to turn it on. RAM cleared. Go up here. So we have this equation here, y equals 2x. And on the other equation, we're going to put parentheses 5x minus 28. And we divide all that by negative 1. Now we could have just switched the signs. We could have made it negative 5x plus 28 instead of divided by negative 1. But I like to keep it simple. Okay, graph. I'm going to press zoom 6 for standard window. And here we have both of our lines in place. And then we're going to find the solution by pressing our 5 keystroke method. Second, that's the second key. Trace, which gets you the calc mode. 5. And then enter, enter, enter. And over here we see our solution. And the solution is x equals 4, y equals 8. And so I'm just going to write it down here, solution (4, 8). And it's also very important to check the solution, which I have, and that's it. This has been Finding the Solution to a Linear System of Equations. Thanks for viewing.